If your cleaning products smell like chemicals, it's time for a fresh start with bioenzymes. Bioenzymes are nature's multitaskers. Let's break down the types and their superpowers. First up, the bitter bunch. Made from Karela, chili and ginger, these enzymes are your garden's best friend. Neem bioenzyme? It's a natural pesticide and fights fungal infections. For luscious locks, try Amla, curry leaves and hibiscus bioenzymes. They're like a spa day for your hair, and let's not forget the fragrant flowers. Rose bioenzyme doubles as a skin toner, while Marigold keeps pests at bay. Got a thing for citrus? Lemon, sweet lime and orange bioenzymes smell amazing and are fantastic for cleaning. Just mix 10 to 15 milliliters in 5 liters of water for a fresh-smelling floor cleaner. For glass surfaces, 15 milliliters in 200 milliliters does the trick. And for plants, 5 milliliters in a liter of water provides overnight nutrition. Finally, the sweet squad mango, papaya and custard-apple bioenzymes are skin's besties and plant food too. So which bioenzyme will you try today?